Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards. So, these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Capricorn, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy. So if you are interested, you can watch that, guys. That may give you more clarity in your circumstances. So let's start with these cards here. We have lilies, rider, and dog. So, today, in your circumstances, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are really happy, feeling inspired, confident, and you are in a good position. Maybe in your work, you are getting a promotion, or maybe whatever you are planning for, maybe if you have applied for a new job, you are going to get that. And in this relationship, you are feeling really happy, you have mutual understanding, trust, love, and this person sees you as someone equal to them, and you are moving towards a very intimate relationship in this connection, and you are feeling really balanced, harmonious. And maybe for some of you guys, this person, they may be your karmic destiny. That is the reason for the way you feel, that familiarity you share with them. Even at the first time when you met them, you would have felt very familiar to them, very close to this person. You would have shared a beautiful understanding even at the first meeting. And they are someone loyal, trustworthy. This person is reliable, and they may see you as a loyal person or you see them as a trustworthy person. Maybe if you had any doubts on your person, whether they are loyal or trustworthy, you can rest assured that they are reliable and you can trust them, Capricorn. And today, in your circumstances, you are ready to face anything because you are absolutely confident. You have that determination, strong willpower, ready to face anything that comes to you. So, in your relationship, whatever circumstances are, you are ready for it and you feel really happy to be here because there is some good news coming to you. Maybe this person is bringing you some good news, or this person is bringing you news about something you have been waiting for quite some time. So, some good news or a message or some opportunity is here for you, and this is a very positive change what you were eagerly waiting for. Or maybe for some of you, you are getting someone. Maybe you were waiting for this person. You were eagerly awaiting their return. Maybe if you are in separation, if you are in a long distance relationship. So this person is coming back. They are visiting you, coming back to you. Maybe it may be your past person for some of you, or it may be this person you love. Maybe they had been somewhere for some time now, maybe for their work. So they are coming back as a surprise. So something good, something positive in your relationship. So Capricorn, for your relationship, coffin. So with this card, this may not mean a very negative card, guys. It just means that end of troubles. So maybe today, whatever, maybe if you are someone in separation, this past person is definitely coming back and the separation coming to an end. All that anxious time you had, whatever it was, it is coming to an end, guys. So your end of all difficulties, that is what I see with this card. So for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It's Tower. So in your career, there are some changes happening. It may be something sudden, something unexpected, but you need to understand that these changes are happening to allow something much better to come into your life. So you need not fear these changes happening today. There are better opportunities waiting to unfold in your life. Some good news definitely coming towards you, Capricorn. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have the pick a card love reading right now, guys. You can stay tuned for that. Thank you, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card for those who chose this card. So it is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Solar Light. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today, in your circumstances, you are healing from some circumstance you have been through. And healing does not mean that you need to be perfect, but you must be aware of the truth that you are a divine being and you're always connected to the universe or God or that higher spirit, whatever you call it. And that higher spirit or that conscious universe wants always the best for you. And you need to understand that when you know that you have that divine link, that unbreakable bond with that higher power, you will see your circumstance from a higher perspective and you will not go back to your old patterns, whatever you wanted to move away from, guys. So that higher spirit can guide you where you need to be today. Maybe if you do not know what should be your next decision, maybe you are deciding something and you are not clear about those choices, you just need to meditate, be silent for some time, and you will get that answer you need. And you must always be present, be aware of your actions, be aware of your circumstances. When you do that, you will create your own future, whatever you wish for, and you will move towards your dreams and goals, whatever that may be. And it boosts your self confidence and inner strength to hold on to whatever dreams or goals or uh, whatever we want to do. So, those intentions, positive intentions. So, you will have that courage to hold on to all those positive intentions and your goals or aspirations, whatever it is. And this crystal uh, card is about that, guys. It is about non attachment in any circumstance and seeing your circumstance from a higher perspective. So you will make the right choice without a speck of selfishness, and you are going to make that from a higher ground, feeling really balanced and peaceful at heart. So, when you make such decisions, you will never go wrong. So, that is the energy here with this card, guys. So, let's see what is the second card for you all. We will see the second card. So, for those who chose this card, Snow White, purity. So, with this card, it just means that maybe in your circumstances, you have faced a lot. Maybe you have seen so much evil. You have seen people rejecting you or people really envious of you. But whatever bad things you have seen till now, it's not been enough to change you, because you are someone pure hearted, you are a pure soul, uncorrupted. And that is the beauty of your character. And maybe today your that beauty is going to shine. And even when others try to harm you and they are really bitter to you and they consider you as their rival, however they are towards you, you never reciprocate that. You never take revenge on those people. You just see evil, but you do not go for those what to say toxic feelings. You are someone pure hearted and you're going to come out of these tests successfully, and your kindness will be rewarded. There will be trying times you are seeing today, maybe some challenges in your work or even in your relationship, but you are going to win, and you are someone really loving, caring, trustworthy person. And all that evil, whatever you faced, has not touched your heart. And you are a very pure soul. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you are good to everyone, and that goodness is coming back to you multifold, guys. And your kindness will always be rewarded. So you need not feel that you are really kind and compassionate, but people are not like that towards you. They are showing their angry side to you. You need not worry about all that, because with this card I see that your good nature is going to be rewarded today. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.